Basic unit of electronic communication are transmitter, transmission, channel, receiver. Noise in electronic communication can be referenced as unwanted signal that interferes with transmission and process of processing signal. Albert Einstein was awarded Nobel Prize for explanation of photoelectric effect. Compton effect occurs in X-rays. For photoelectric effect to take place, the metal used as cathode should have low reactivity. Every hot object emits infrared ray. X-ray, now used daily in medicine for diagnosis, were discovered by William Brompton. Uses solar energy to convert sunlight into electrical energy, photovoltaic cells. The rays do not enter the Earth's atmosphere. X-ray. In CT scan, CT means computed tomography. In the year was Einstein theory of special relativity first proposed 1905. The scientists showed that matter can be converted into energy, energy into matter by Albert Einstein. Nature of light does photoelectric emit, particle nature. In what year Albert Einstein discovered a new form of matter called Bose-Einstein constant based on quantum formulation given by Indian physicist Satyendra Bose 1924. In context of LED, D stands for diode. The American scientist Edwin Hubble name is associated with Big Bang theory. Max Planck established the foundation of quantum theory. Fuel U-235, U-238. Moderator heavy water, graphite, beryllium oxide. Coolant cold water, liquid sodium. Control rods cadmium and boron rods. Gamma rays, Becquerel, highest penetrating value. X-ray Roentgen, ultraviolet ray Ritter, UV radiation Newton, infrared radiation Herschel, small radio waves Henry Krites, long radio waves Marconi. Used to make nuclear bomb uranium. Nuclear properties radioactivity. Used as moderator in nuclear reactor graphite. Number of neutrons in a hydrogen atom nothing. The Newton Bhabha Fund program is joint venture of India and Britain. In nuclear reactor, cadmium is used to control the rate of fission, which absorbs neutron without fission. The reason for formation of plasma star is called high temperature. Sahar Nuclear Physics Institute is located in West Bengal. In a nuclear reactor, what does the control load work? The chain absorbs extra neutron to control the reaction. Joe Oppenheimer invented atomic bomb. Act as moderator in nuclear fission, heavy water. Smiling Buddha was code name for Pokhran 1 nuclear test conducted by India in 1974. Atomic Energy Institute in Mumbai was renamed in honor of Indian nuclear physicist Homi Bhabha. In 1940, some great scientists were trying to purify uranium and manufacture atom bomb. What was their project name? Manhattan. Electromagnetic wave is produced during radioactive decay of nucleus. Gamma ray. Metal used as shield in nuclear reactor. Lead. Let's see. Television, Baird, revolver, Samuel Colt, radar, Robert Watson Watt, petri press, John Gutenberg, solar system, Copernicus, photoelectric, Albert Einstein, pendulum clock, Christian Huygens, phonograph, gramophone, Thomas Edison, LC projector, Jean Dolov, computer mouse, Douglas and Bird, microprocessor, Feduk Fagin, laser,